Welcome back. In this video I will show you how you can create smiley in Word document like this one. Let me delete that. First you need to click on the insert, click on the shapes, and in the basic shapes you will see that smiley. Click on that and hold down the shift key and draw a smiley face. And then head to the shape format on the top ribbon and click on the shape fill and click on the no fill. Click on the shape outline, click on the weight and select the weight. Click on the outline and select the color of your choice. Click on the shape effect, click on the shadow and select the shadow of your choice. Click on the shape effects, click on the glow and select the glow as per your choice like this one. Click on the shape effects and click on the 3D rotation and you can rotate it as per your requirement like this one. So this way you can easily create smiley in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.